Hi, my name is Emmanuel Asiegbu. I'm part of the Skills Cohort 2 Software Engineering program. My project was to build an app that displays the GDP values of 5 West African countries in any given year. So what the app does, or what the app should do, is to receive the user input in the form of year. The user inputs a year, and then with the year, the app fetches API data from the World Bank data center. So I'll just do a demonstration of the app. So I called my app WestAf GDP, which is a short form of West African Gross Domestic Product. So on the front page, that's the home page, I have a brief description. This is a web application that returns the gross domestic product of 5 West African countries. And I also have some views, the home, about, and dashboard. So the first input is the name. So that's what you see first as a user. You're asked for your name, and after you've clicked submit, you get to the dashboard that has 5 countries displayed. That's Benin Republic, Burkina Faso, Cote d'Ivoire, Ghana, and Nigeria. So anyone you click takes you to the data page for that country. So I've chosen Nigeria, and it's taking me to Nigeria's data page. So the user chooses a country and clicks submit, and then my app fetches API data from World Bank and displays the GDP value. So it appears that Nigeria's GDP value is for the requested year. So that's what it does. So you choose another year, and it gives the value for whichever year that you input. So you could either pick another country or make another request. So here in Cote d'Ivoire, I've chosen a year, and then it has returned the value. So something that is noteworthy is if I input a year whose data is not available on the World Bank API and submit, my app returns invalid year input. So once the data is not available on the World Bank API, there's going to be an error message as regards that. So I also have an about page. I think I mentioned that earlier. So the technologies I used were Flask. I also used MongoDB, MariaDB for the users, to make the users. I also did some testing, and then I have a Travis build. So that's basically it for the app. Thanks for your interest in my app, and thanks for watching this demonstration.